Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Tor with Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it launches and you can see your main browsing window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is the main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various browsing options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and select New Private Window with Tor. This is the option that activates Tor browsing within Brave, allowing you to browse the internet with an extra layer of privacy and security. Clicking this option will open a completely separate window that's specifically configured to route your traffic through the Tor network, keeping your identity and location hidden. After you click that option, you'll need to wait a moment while the Tor connection initializes. During this time, you'll see a message in the upper left corner of the new window that says something like connecting to the Tor network. This is completely normal and usually takes just a few seconds. The browser is establishing a secure connection through multiple relay nodes around the world, which is what makes Tor so effective at protecting your privacy. Just give it a moment to complete this process. Once the connection is fully established, the window will display a message saying Tor connected successfully. This confirmation lets you know that your browsing session is now protected and all your traffic is being routed through the Tor network. At this point, you're completely set up and ready to browse privately. Now you can browse to your preferred website just like you normally would. Simply type the URL into the address bar or search for what you're looking for. The difference is that now all your browsing activity is anonymized and your real IP address is hidden from the websites you visit. This makes Tor browsing through Brave an excellent option when you need extra privacy or want to access content that might be restricted in your region. And that's it, you've successfully set up and started using Tor with Brave browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.